Okay, YouTube, got another unboxing for you all. Converse, the Don C joints. Let's see. Color reads white, rapid teal, court purple. Converse Era 260s, the classic joints. Some of y'all might be too young for these, but yeah, these classics. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, let's go. Here's shoes right here. I ordered them for the GOAT. I ordered these a while back ago, maybe 3 to 4 months ago. With the official card, verification card from the GOAT. Here go the Don C 270s Erx. Yeah, these joints nice. I like them. That's the other shit box. Okay, let's get into the shoe. We got that teal blue right there with the star right there by the eyelids. We got the cons, purple joint. Man, this got so much going on in this shoe. It's hard to break down the details in this shoe. But as you can see, this shoe is outstanding. I wish I could see the inside of the sole. It has a leopard print on the inside as well. Yeah, these shoes is very out there. I don't know, but I like them. You know, it's like one of them weird shoes you like. Like, I don't know how to explain them, but you know, I grabbed them. They was on sale on the GOAT a couple months back. I want to say it had to be around June. I see Rsvp down in Chicago for my people in the Midwest that want to order a pair of these. It ain't too bad. I like how Don C paying homage to the old school Converse, the Era 260s. These are the classic joints for the basketball players in the 80s, early 90s. They used to rock the crap out these joints. But yeah, here they go. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share.